Imagine earning up to $2 for just 5 seconds of viewing time. This isn't a far-fetched dream. It's a reality for many people worldwide. People from various countries like India, Philippines, Bangladesh, Nigeria, and Vietnam are reportedly making thousands of dollars through this unique method. The beauty of this opportunity is its accessibility. Regardless of your location, you can participate and potentially earn money online by watching YouTube content. Once you log in, your dashboard will look similar to the other sites. To find video watching jobs, hover over micro jobs and click on Find Jobs. Then select the video marketing category from the options. Here's where it gets exciting. You can earn $2 for watching just 5 seconds of a video. If you watch the video and subscribe to the channel, you can earn $3. These tasks are usually available for international workers, so you can participate regardless of your location. No experience is needed, making it perfect for beginners. The name of this website is Sprout Gigs, formerly known as Pico Workers. It's a platform connecting freelancers and business owners worldwide. While there might be only a few video tasks available at a time, they update daily, so check back often for new opportunities. Bonus trick. Now here's the bonus trick to potentially increase your earnings tenfold. Create 10 different email IDs and use them to make 10 different accounts on Microworkers, where you can complete the same video task from 10 accounts simultaneously using different browser tabs. If you're earning $2 normally, this method could potentially net you $20 for the same video. Another tip is to complete multiple video tasks at the same time by opening them in different tabs. You could watch 4 to 5 different videos in each tab, maximizing your earnings in the same amount of time. Remember, consistency is key when using these websites. Set aside some time each day to complete tasks, and you may see your earnings grow steadily. However, it's important to approach this as a supplementary income rather than a primary source. Also, be mindful of the content you're watching. While the goal is to earn money, try to choose videos that interest you or provide valuable information. This way you're not only earning, but also potentially learning or being entertained. Keep track of your earnings and the time you spend on these tasks. This will help you determine if the effort is worthwhile for you in the long run. If you find that the returns aren't meeting your expectations, don't be discouraged. There are many other online earning methods to explore. At Nexera, we believe in providing you with diverse strategies to enhance your financial well-being. While watching videos for money can be an interesting way to earn some extra cash, it's just one of many potential income streams. We encourage you to explore various methods, always keeping in mind your personal goals, skills, and the time you can dedicate to these endeavors as we arrive at the end of this episode. We'd love to hear about your experiences with these platforms or any other methods you've found successful for earning money online. Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to mention your country. This information helps us tailor future content to better serve our global audience. Remember, the path to financial growth is a journey, not a destination. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't be afraid to try new methods. With persistence and the right strategies, you can steadily work towards your financial goals. Thank you for joining us on Nexera, where we explore innovative ways to boost your income. Until next time, keep walking towards your financial dreams.